Hello everyone, another day, another legal learning. Unsa inyong sabot about anti-fencing? Kani siya? Or, ingon ni? Sa Pilipinas, natin ginatawag na anti-fencing law or PD 1612. Under this law, it states that any person who possess, buy, or sell any stolen property can be held liable for the crime. Even gani, imuha lang na siyang hunahuna, nagikan na siya sa kawat, still, you can be charged to this crime. This includes laptop, cellphone, charger, camera, or even bike, motor, or auto, especially walay proper documentation or papers. So, being a teacher, why we need to understand about anti-fencing law? Of course, kay there are situations na naipang deal sa atua, labing sa eskwelahan or even outside sa eskwelahan. Nya dali-dali kay tang palit, especially sa atong tan-aw, barato, durable, nga wa ta kibaw diin ang source. So munang beware ta. Because again, PD 1612 or anti-fencing law pwede tang makasuhan ana. Especially mapanatud-an na kanang imong item na napalit na wa ka kibaw diin gikan, imo lang gi-assume na iyaha to, na aday tag-iyalain. Nya nigreklamo, appeal ka sa kaso. So again, please be aware na naatay anti-fencing law. So being teachers, vigilant gyud ta sa tuang palibot. So if you want to learn and see more videos relating to educational law, please follow, like, and share for more updates. Thank you so much for watching and God bless.